Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can transfer money from Wise to GCash. So to get started, whether you're using the Wise mobile app or their website, the steps are pretty much identical, so feel free to follow along on either. Start by opening the Wise app and logging into your account. Once you're on the main screen, tap on Send Money. Now, enter the amount you want to send. You can also select the currency you're sending from, for example. If you're transferring 1,000 units of your local currency, just type that in and double-check the selected currency is correct. After that, look for the recipient currency drop-down and change it to Philippine pesos. This is important because GCash only accepts PHP. Next, choose Credit Card as your payment method. Once you've selected that, tap Add Recipient, then choose Enter Bank Details. You'll now be asked who the money is going to. Since you're sending it to your own GCash account, select Myself. Here's the most crucial part of the process. On the next screen, choose e-wallet as the delivery method, and from the list of available e-wallet providers, select GCash. Now, enter your GCash registered mobile number in the format required, usually starting with +63 if you're outside the Philippines. You can find this number by opening the GCash app or checking your GCash account profile. Once you've copied it, paste it into the Wise form. Before proceeding, carefully review all the details, make sure the number is accurate, the amount is correct, and the receiving method is set to GCash. Once everything looks good, tap Confirm, and Wise will take you to a final review page. After you check the summary and confirm again, your transfer will begin processing. And that's it, you are done.